Every mom dreams of the perfect couch, one that's cozy, stylish, and spacious enough for the whole family. And with a little magic, my daughter brings it to life. And with the final wave of her wand, poof! My husband and I join in, ready to build the ultimate comfort spot for our home. Setting it up is a breeze. The modular design makes it easy to attach each section securely, ensuring a sturdy foundation. Now for the finishing touch. Luxuriously overstuffed cushions that make every seat feel like a cloud. And here it is, the Tender Wabi-Sabi Sofa, a sleek modern piece that blends style with total relaxation. Soft to the touch and made from breathable, skin-friendly linen, this couch is designed for everyday comfort. Now it's time to enjoy. My dog, my cat, and I are all cozied up, embracing the deep, spacious seating. Whether lounging, cuddling, or reading, this sofa is the perfect spot to unwind.